How to create a TikTok account step by step. Step 1. Download the TikTok app for Android users. Visit the Google Play Store and search for TikTok. For iOS users, go to the App Store and search for TikTok. Download and install the app on your device. Step 2. Open the app and sign up. 1. Launch the TikTok app. 2. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. 3. Choose a sign-up method. Phone number, mail address, existing accounts like Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Apple. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process. Step 3. Verify your account. If you signed up using a phone number or email, TikTok will send you a verification code. Enter the code to verify your account. Step 4. Set up your profile. 1. Tap on the Edit Profile button. 2. Customize your profile by adding a profile photo or video, choosing a username. This will be your unique identifier on TikTok. Writing a short bio linking other social media accounts if desired. Step 5. Switch to a business account. Optional if you're creating a TikTok account for a brand or business. 1. Go to your profile and tap on the 3 dots or lines in the top right corner to access settings. 2. Select Manage Account. 3. Tap on Switch to Business Account. 4. Choose the category that best fits your business. Step 6. Start exploring and creating content. Is the plus button at the bottom center to create your first TikTok video. Explore the Discover page to find trending content and creators. Engage with other users by liking, commenting, and sharing videos.